The declining trend of India's COVID-19 cases continued as the country reported a daily jump of 55,342 new infections on Tuesday, taking the total tally to 71.75 lakh, according to the Health Ministry's data. Notably, this is the first time in 2 months when India has witnessed around 55,000 COVID-19 cases in 24 hours and the fifth day in a row when the active cases of COVID-19 remained below 9 lakh. The country has been recording less than 75,000 new daily cases for the fifth consecutive day and deaths below 1,000 for 10 straight days. On Monday, India's COVID-19 tally went past 71 lakh with 66,732 fresh cases, while the number of people who have recuperated crossed 61 lakh. The country's single-day surge of cases has fallen to an average of 72,000 to 74,000 from the previous 90,000 plus numbers. In some addition to respite, with 77,760 fresh recoveries, active COVID-19 cases have fallen to 8.38 lakh, taking India's recovery rate to 86.8%. Around 62.2 lakh individuals have successfully recovered from COVID-19 now, the government data has revealed. Johnson & Johnson said on Monday that it had temporarily halted its COVID-19 vaccine trial because one of its participants had become sick. We have temporarily paused further dosing in all our COVID-19 vaccine candidate clinical trials, including the Phase 3 Ensemble trial, due to an unexplained illness in a study participant, the company said in a statement. The pause means the online enrollment system has been closed for the 60,000 patient clinical trial, while the Independent Patient Safety Committee is convened. Johnson & Johnson said that serious adverse events are an expected part of any clinical study, especially large studies. Company guidelines allowed them to pause a study to determine if the SAE was related to the drug in question and whether to resume study or not. The Congress in Himachal Pradesh has threatened to launch a protest against the alleged removal of party chief Sonia Gandhi's inaugural plaque from the Atal tunnel in the state. The strategically important Atal tunnel that connects Manali to the Lahaul Spiti Valley and reduces travel time to Leh in Ladakh by up to 5 hours was inaugurated by Prime Minister Narendra Modi on October 3rd. Congress leaders in Himachal Pradesh have alleged that the foundation plaque bearing Sonia Gandhi's name was removed from the tunnel ahead of its inauguration. State Party President Kuldeep Singh Rathod has written to Chief Minister Jairam Thakur warning of a protest. The Congress said Sonia Gandhi had laid the foundation stone for the Rohtang tunnel project at the South Portal on June 28, 2010 at Dhundi in Manali. Deprived of his beloved campaign trail for 10 days due to COVID-19, President Donald Trump took center stage again on Monday in Florida, vowing that he is in a great shape with 22 days to go until he faces Joe Biden in the election. He said, "I went through it and now they say I am immune," he told a cheering crowd in Sanford near Orlando, few of whom wore masks. Trump's medical team announced that he had tested negative and was no longer contagious as he jetted to Florida, the first of 4 battleground states he plans to visit over the next 4 days. His claim of immunity is unproven. Trailing his Democratic challenger by double digits in the polls, Donald Trump is seeking to rally his base on a blitz of key swing states. North Korean leader Kim Jong-un became visibly emotional during a speech at a military parade over the weekend as he thanked troops for their sacrifices and apologized to citizens for failing to improve their lives. At a speech on Saturday during celebrations to mark the 75th anniversary of the founding of its ruling Workers' Party, Kim Jong-un thanked thousands of gathered troops for responding to recent damaging storms and for helping to prevent a coronavirus outbreak in the country. In video footage edited and released by the state television station, Kim Jong-un appeared tearful and at one point he seemed to choke up. Kim said he was grateful that not a single North Korean had been infected with the coronavirus, a claim that US and South Korean officials have previously cast doubts on.
Now be the first to know about the latest updates on our new news app. Go on your Android or iOS, search for HW News Network. Download our app, choose the language you prefer to get updates in, and be up to date with the latest news.